Hello, Barbecue Nation! Today we're going to make an ugly drum smoker. Super easy to do if you don't know what they are. They look like this when they're done. It's basically an old drum that you turn into a smoker, and you can do it on the cheap. Get yourself an old drum, food safe one off of Craigslist or Facebook, however you kids do it these days, and then clean it up. I found the easiest way to clean it up was just to burn the heck out of it. I did that with one of these weed torches, and that got most of the paint off. I also had a little fire in there that helped clean out the middle. If you've got any rust or you want to clean it up a little better, you can do that with a sander or wire brush. And then the next thing is to fabricate the top. You just I put a thermometer in there, and I put a air vent. And then here's what it looks like when it's all finished. I've got another thermometer in there for where the meat goes. And then I've got this air intake that I got on Amazon for about $13, which I like. You can set it based on those beads, so once you figure out your smoker, you know exactly where to get the temp by the number of holes there. Alright, there's a few different ways to do the air exhaust. I just went with a simple thing and put a handle on there. You can just use the grate from a Weber grill, and then you're going to need so you just put these screws in there to hold the grill in. Then you need something to burn the charcoal in. I found this little charcoal grill at Goodwill for a few dollars, and I turned it into my basket. Otherwise, you can fabricate one of those. And then, actually I haven't done this yet, but you can put another rack on the top and put like your Weber lid on there, and you can actually cook two racks at the same time. And this is what it looks like finished. Can't wait to get some meat on there this weekend. Awesome.